Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to today's lesson. What we're going to be looking at today is conversions. So, conversions. Conversions in the metric system, okay? I'm not going to do conversions in the imperial system. If you want, you can go look it up, okay? Now, the thing that I say with conversions is it doesn't matter if you're dealing with liters, meters, or grams. Liters, meters, or grams. So meters for distance, liters for capacity, and grams for weight, all right? The idea is all the same. And all that I say that you have to learn are the three prefixes. So milli is 1,000, centi is 100, and kilo is also 1,000. Now, I also don't worry about the fact whether milli is 1,000th, okay, so it's more thousand, or kilo is 1,000, so a big thousand. Okay, because the idea is if you just know these three prefixes, I think, then it's very easy to go from one to the other by thinking about it logically. And let me show you what I mean by this. So here's a question, e.g. Okay, convert 2 meters into centimeters. Now, I hope that most of you are going, oh, there's 100 centimeters in a meter, so it's got to be 200 centimeters. Yeah, absolutely. But I'm going to use this to explain how I go from one to the other. So it doesn't make a difference what you're doing, you can convert this. Now, here's the idea. I look at the units and the number. So, from meters to centimeters. Well, a meter to a centimeter. All right. So the units are going down. It's going from a meter to a centimeter. So the unit part, the measurement part is going down. That means in order to balance, the number part has to get bigger. So that means the number part has to go up. All right. So, now comes a conversion. What is centi to centi as the prefix? Centi is 100. You with me? That's all. Centi is 100. How do I make something go up using 100? I times. Alright. So 2 times 100 gives me 200 centimeters. Okay. Right. So, let's do another one. E.g. So that's from meters to centimeters. If I was going from meters to kilometers, okay, then this would be going up, that would be going down, I would be dividing by 1,000. Or meters to millimeters, this would be going down, that would be going up, so I times by 1,000, okay. It doesn't matter if you talk about meters, grams, liters, it all works the same. So how about millimeters to centimeters, okay? So I've got 300 millimeters, and I want to change that to centimeters, okay. So, stop, and we say, okay, great. What's happening with the units? Well, a millimeter is tiny, and a centimeter is slightly bigger. Look on your ruler. A centimeter is the first number, and a millimeter will be the little striations between 0 and 1. Okay, so a millimeter, from millimeter to centimeters, the units are getting bigger, right? So if the units are getting bigger, the number parts, okay, of the measurement must be getting smaller to balance. This is the logic thinking of it. All right. So fantastic. How do I make something milli to centi? Well, milli to centi, there's a difference of 10, okay? One zero difference, okay? How do I make something smaller using 10? That's where the logic coming in. So how do I make something smaller using 10? I divide to make it smaller. So 300 divided by 10 gives me 30 centimeters. Alrighty. Okay, that's it. That is absolutely all it is. Okay, if I was going, for example, from kilo to milli, right, I'd go kilo to meter to work out how many meters in a kilometer, all right, and then the meters to the milli to work out how many in the milli. Okay, so you would just do this twice, all right, or centimeter to kilometer, same idea, centi to meter, meter to kilo, all right. So that's all, and it doesn't matter if I'm centimeters, centigrams, centiliters, millimeters, milligrams, milliliters, kiloliters, kilograms, kilometers. It doesn't make a difference because the idea is all the same. Units either go down when it's getting smaller, so the number part must go up, or the units going up, so the number part must go down. This balancing idea helps me remember. And I don't have to learn from one to the other. I times from one to the other, divide. It just works out logically each and every time. Okay, go practice this. Try and check your answers from the back of the book. Go find some of these. It's pretty straightforward. This is like year 8 stuff. You should be able to do this. Year 7 stuff as well. You should be able to do most of this. And when you get onto dimensions, when you get onto working out conversions in areas, kilometers squared or meters squared or meters cubed for volume or whatever it is, all right, this this works out really straightforward, really easy for that kind of conversion. Okay, I'll show you the trick when we get off that. Right, go check those out, and remember, I'm here for you.